Is he friendly? Try not to sink. The Yukon River.
I'm gonna get off this iceberg.
The Yukon FirePods.
Well, we're back with another episode of the Yukon Boys. We're here at Wolf Creek and we're going to be going on a hike.
After our hike, we're going to have a campfire and use these fire pods, thanks to Yukon FirePods for sponsoring us. Let's get going.
I'm coming. You're just gonna go up there? What's going on?
This precious cube of Rubik's.
Oh no! How's it going, Mark?
Wish me luck. Oh my goodness. I'm up for the challenge. Oh, yikes. Oh, thorns don't feel so good in your mouth. It's so steep. Oh, I'm just gonna walk across and walk on the grass.
Oh, this is so much better.
Oh, yes! Watch out, Dad!
Oh, that's gonna happen.
Whoa, it's really steep. Whoa, yikes. I'll tell you a joke. Why is the corner of a hockey rink never 90 degrees? Because it'll melt. Hi, Dad. Look at that. Now that is crazy. Dad's dying.
Pretty steep climb, but the view is spectacular. I think we're on the trail. Hello, dog. Little dog on the trail.
Where'd you come from?
Is he friendly? So we're just like stealing someone's dog that we found randomly on the trail.
The dog?
Do you want to belong to us now, little dog?
No. We don't want it.
What do you think?
Okay. Is he just gonna... Oh, wait. There's a lady all the way over there. Get back over there.
This dog could get lost for sure.
Mark, stop petting it or it'll stay with us. No, we don't. Stop.
Hey, Marky, it's got to go to his owner.
So cute. Wait, I want to see what name it is.
Okay.
Shika.
Shika?
Shika.
Shika. Oh, it's a girl.
Yeah.
Sorry, we were calling you a guy the whole time.
Hi, Shika.
Bye, Shika.
Go home. Oh no. Oh no.
You petted it, Mark.
Oh no. Shika likes Luke?
No, that way. Literally lost. Go, dog, go.
What do we do?
You just leave it.
Mark, stop petting it.
It's so cute.
All right. All right. We'll go this way. We'll see how far it's not happening,
It's
dude.
not happening.
Keep going. Keep going.
Your owner is calling you.
Keep going. No.
Go on.
Shika, go.
Maybe this is the dog's chance to find a new home.
No.
Do you not like your home?
It's so small.
Dude, why do we care? Like, why are we...
Oh, go. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay. All right. Whew.
Hi, Shika. Oh yeah, it's coming back. Let's go, Shika.
No.
Ah, she's leaving her owner and coming to us.
Go back.
Mark, don't encourage it.
What? Go back that way.
We tried to get rid of her. You're back. Again.
Keep going.
Go on. That's your owner. All right. That's all right.
Trail there.
Trail down to the creek. Oh yeah. So somehow this maybe
Meets up to there.
meets up somewhere.
But we're not going that way.
No, we gotta get back down.
Yeah.
We gotta go down and then back up that way. It's because we went up the hill.
Yeah.
All right, so
We gotta go back the other way.
and pick up a dog.
No. We're not picking up a rat dog.
Chica's a rat dog.
No, it looks like who's the master of the Ninja Turtles?
Splinter.
Master Splinter. That was literally Master
Even
Splinter.
with like the white whiskers,
I know.
that was Master Splinter.
Oh dear. Oh, yes. I think I got that on camera. I think I did. Oh, no, I'm gonna fall.
We're going to the actual trail this time. Oh dear. Just gotta walk gingerly on the top of the snow. Light steps. Oh. You wanna go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. Light steps. Light steps. Oh man. I do so good for like 5 steps and then I sink. Whose idea was this to go for a spring hike? Oh, this is probably better than up in the mountains. Oh, this looks deep. Try not to sink. Try not to sink. Oh, almost made it. What's up?
I don't know what that is.
A burl?
Don't they make like bowls and stuff out of that? It's
They
like
do.
Really hard wood.
Burl bowls. We're using the AllTrails app. This is the Wolf Creek hike. The green one is what we're supposed to be following, but we kind of got off a little bit. We'll get back on. I'm not too worried about it. And that is actually the Yukon River there, which we'll eventually get to. And the creek is just there, that light blue line. All right, they're calling me. I better go. I'm coming. I'm on my way. And I'm not, I wasn't sinking, but now I'm sinking. Hiking in the spring is a good time because it's nice weather and it's good to get out, but the snow on the trail can be a bit of a hassle. You break through, then you don't break through. All right, I'm here. Hat and gloves, you're not gonna need that today.
Yeah, tackle box.
You can go on without us.
No, you can't. Bear bait, hoo-ha-ha.
He's literally the bait for any dangerous animal.
It's true.
Shark bait, gator bait, bear bait.
It's true. Mark Bait Norton.
What is it? Bushmaster?
Oh yeah, what's his name? Bush?
What was it?
What was his name?
Mark, who's the guy?
What was your character? Bushmaster? No. Woolly or Willie?
No, Willie.
Woolly Woodsman, otherwise known as Bear Bait Hoo-ha-ha. The last time you went to stab someone, your stick ended up in the river, so let's just... What? Ouch. They snowballed me while I was on camera. They thought that was pretty funny. And now they're running. I'm not gonna retaliate. Not that I don't want to, but I'm too lazy to. So if you live in a southern part of Canada or live in the States, it might surprise you that today is May 1st. That's right, May 1st. And we still have a ton of snow and parts of the creek are still iced up. This year, which is 2026, we had a ton of snow. We also had crazy cold temps. It went from lots of snow to really cold, lots of snow to really cold, just back and forth. So the melt has taken a long time. And even now, May 1st, it's supposed to be spring. The trails should be clear and we're still walking on a ton of snow. This was probably 3-4 feet in the winter. Now it's probably a foot left. Just enough to make it annoying when you're hiking. We reached the part of the hike that's above the Yukon River. Here it is, it's open now and flowing. A few weeks ago, it was all ice bridged across here. There's this overhang, trail goes past here. And there's even a bench. You can just sit here and relax.
It's pretty light, but it dropped. We should put it off the actual cliff. We gotta move it back. That's good.
Oh, here we go. Okay, make sure you guys' feet are planted.
2, 1.
All right, what's the plan with this one?
Eat it.
Oh, wait.
Hey!
Okay, we should probably keep this one. I think we can too.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, go.
Oh, it's falling.
We got to the snow.
All right. We're rolling. Back on the trail.
farther?
Like 5 minutes.
Okay. So the blue was us?
Yeah, the blue is us.
So we have to keep going straight and then turn up.
That's right. Yeah. We're back at the campsite. The hike was great. It's time for us to try these Yukon FirePods. It's a local company. Big thanks to Brad, the owner, who gave us a couple of these to try out. So you already looked in this kit. What's inside of it?
There is a striker, some matches, and 5 fire starters.
Sweet. And you can obviously refill this kit and use it. You could put some P-cord or a carabiner on that, take it with you. We got 2 colors. There's bright orange or hunter orange and this neon green. Easy to see if you drop it or lose it in the snow or something. We know they're water resistant. We're gonna actually put them in the creek to see if they're waterproof.
All right, we're going under the bridge to test the waterproofness of the FirePods.
Did you just say waterproofness?
I did. All right. We have the FirePod and we are going to test it for waterproofness. So I'm going to tighten it.
Yes.
Like pretty tight.
Yay much.
Pretty tight.
As much as you would normally do it.
This is maybe a bit more than you would normally do. So it definitely floats.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
If water was gonna get in it, it would have done it by
Now
now.
dry your hands just in case. So the outside is definitely wet.
The outside is wet. The inside, pretty dry.
Pretty dry or completely dry?
I think completely dry. Okay, so now we're gonna tighten it just like a fair amount, not like crazy tight. Definitely waterproof. And it floats too, because it's just like filled with air. I'm gonna get off this iceberg because it's been melting for a while. Here, catch. Can you catch?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Yukon FirePod, go get one.
So, we have our Yukon FirePods.
Crack it open.
Open it. Ta-da!
What we got in there?
We have a striker,
Okay.
some matches.
Oh.
Those are the good matches.
Stormproof matches. That's cool. Last but not least, what else is in there?
We have, I don't know what these are called.
So to use one bend tinder plug. It's called a tinder plug. That's what they're called. Bend the tinder plug in half, back and forth, and then rub them together in a circular motion to fluff up the fibers. There you go. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's awesome.
Keep going.
Okay, keep going, keep going. Get it all nice and fluffy. All right, so now you can put it in our kindling there. All right, you got a match. Put the rest there. Here's the igniters. There you go. Pull that out. Okay, there's an extra in there. There you go. Leave it there.
Whoa, those work so good.
Yeah, the stormproof matches are amazing.
Okay.
Well, Mark, what do you think? They're pretty
I think
amazing.
They're worth it.
Yeah, they're so worth it. Thanks to Brad for letting us try out these Yukon FirePods. These kits are $15 each, Canadian. So for any American viewers, that's a deal. And it comes with everything you saw in the video. Comes in green or hunter orange. I'll put the link and contact information in the description below so you can get one of these kits. Thanks to Yukon FirePods. These are great. Love them. Thanks for watching this episode of the Yukon Boys. YouTube thinks you're gonna like that video next, and you can subscribe up in that top corner. And we'll see you on the next episode.
Yum, yum, yum.
Bro.